on either. Neither one of us are going to be seen.
Doesn't matter. See, there's a lot of things I would say.
Well, then start saying it.
Okay, first of all, you have to, if you're going to make green bananas, you have to keep them in the fridge so they won't ripen.
Oh.
And then you take them out the day you're going to fix them, and then you soak them in hot water for a good while, you know, like an hour or so. I mean, if they're at room temperature, it's easier than if they're from the refrigerator, so that the bark will come off easily. For me, the best banana is the ones that come from Guatemala because they can peel very easily without any strain. some of them get stuck on the plantain and it's hard to get off.
Okay, so we've got more to do. So we will continue this as soon as we get them all cut up and ready to go on the fire. In the oil, that is. Yeah, we got all our plantains cut up. We're going to go out there and fire up the oil for step one. Oil's almost hot enough, fixing to put the bananas in here. Alright, now we cook them for, how long do we keep them in there for, David?
Oh, about 5 minutes.
5 minutes, and then we take them out, smash them, bring them back out and cook them again. Okay, this is where we get in here. We take the nanners and we smash them.
That's the first time they've been through the oil.
Yep, they've already been through the oil.
The first time.
The first time.
Now they got. He said.
And you can see how thin they get smashed. Okay, now they've been cooked and smashed, and now they're cooking one more time. This will be the last time. And they really taste good.